Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
Here are some common EnPak A60 troubleshooting steps that you can take. If the aux power, weld, or battery charge doesn't work, please check CB1 first. Oftentimes the breaker has tripped and needs to be reset. Why won't my EnPak idle down? High idle could be caused by several factors, including a tool or device plugged into the power outlet that is drawing power, such as a bank of battery chargers, fan, or lights. The RPM selector in the settings menu is set at 2800 instead of auto. Or the cabin cool system is turned on. This draws power and forces high idle. Experiencing overheating issues? Check airflow for the proper cooling. The unit must have proper clearance around it. Refer to Section 5 of the owner's manual for clearance recommendations. Also, look to make sure there isn't debris or other items restricting airflow. Also, be sure to check the amount of coolant for the appropriate level. In the event the air compressor cycles on and off prior to the reservoir pressure reaching the preset level, ensure that the air reservoir is plumbed between the EnPak and the air pressure regulator. This can be found on a new installation and needs adjustment. When using the air compressor, be sure to let the compressor run long enough to heat up and release moisture from the oil, preventing moisture-related problems. Simply crack the dump valve and let the compressor run for 30 to 40 minutes once a week, especially important in damp climates. Experiencing hydraulic issues? Be sure the 20-gallon hydraulic tank is mounted at unit level, not below, so the fluid level is above the pump inlet because it is gravity-fed. If you experience jerky crane operation, reduce the hydraulic max flow setting within the system settings screen. Most cranes require 8 to 10 GPM. In addition, make sure the hydraulic fluid used is appropriate for your climate. Higher viscosity oils may need time to warm up in cooler climates. Refer to the owner's manual for additional information.